Hello? We're gonna make some borscht. Some borscht. We are cooking today. Oh, that's too full. Pour some out for my homies. So we got bone-in pork loin rib. You want bone-in because we're gonna be making a stock. This is the good meat. Some fresh carrots. And I got some beets. Some potatoes. Need 1 onion. And garlic. Bay leaves. Alright, let's break this pork out. I'm gonna salt the water. And then we're gonna take this meat, throw it in the boiling water. And it's gonna turn gray and get gross looking. That's fine. You can see it's already starting to turn gray, and it's really gross looking. It's not gonna stay that way, I can promise you that. Watch me pour water into this thing. If any of you nerds watch Game Grumps, they did their soda 10-minute power hour, and they tried this, Malta Goya. So I saw this at the supermarket, and I had to try it. It is, it's something. Yeah, it's like really... Oof. Yeah. I regret buying that. Yeah. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm not drinking that. I need to take the trash out. Hold on. I didn't realize it was full. I'm so embarrassed. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour. 1 hour starting now. I'm starting to cry. Oh God. Alright, so we're gonna take all these onions. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the carrots too. This is ready. So we're gonna take that completely off the heat over here. And I'm just gonna cut that root completely off. Same over here. And then it will be able to stand up on its own. Shit. I almost dropped that on the floor. We got a backup. It's fine if I do. Little bits around here. Where'd it go? Oh my God, the beet fell down the garbage disposal. Oh my God. No. Son of a bitch. Alright, there's a peeled beet. Let's peel the other one. I dropped the beet in the trash can. I dropped the beet in the trash can. Oh my God. I fucking hate my life. So here. Can of beets. Beets by Dre. Beets by Chris Brown. And then I can cut the garlic. All of my family are like, ew, I can't even pronounce the name. I'm not gonna eat it. I'm like, okay, more for me, man. Smell it. Smells porky. The bay leaves. This cutting board looks like a murder scene. I'm poking the meat. So look at this stock now. Look at that color. You can see this gigantic pile of meat that I've just got on the counter. So I added all that stuff. We're gonna give it a good stir. We're gonna crank that motherfucking heat up. 2 whole bay leaves. Just bloop, bloop, throw them in. Cabbage. You cannot have borscht without cabbage. So this is boiling. It's time. You want this to be really dense. It's supposed to be really, really hearty and thick. It's supposed to be a thick boy. Cat. Meow. A lot of pepper. Oof, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh god. No, they went right up my nose. Oh fuck. Achoo. Got him. Dill. There's one more thing. So, the recipe calls for a dollop of sour cream with every bowl, but I don't have sour cream. So, in true Boris Russian fashion, mayonnaise. Okay, bye!